Hey guys, it's Danielle and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you another meal plan and grocery haul, but show you a little bit more of my process. So typically I first start with cleaning out my fridge, taking out anything that has gone bad that we unfortunately have to get rid of. I do this on the weekend because recycling and garbage comes on Mondays, so that works for me. And then I have a little post-it note that I keep, and I write down things that I want to use up the following week so that I can take that to my planner and make sure I utilize those things. And then I look in the freezer to see if there's anything we need to thaw out. So I took out some Italian sausage for this week and put it in the fridge because I'm going to want to make something with that coming up here. Then I take my sticky note to my Paper Plum Planner. Check out the description box for, I think it's 10% off through August. And I go to the page where we plan out our dinners. I'll give a close-up of this stuff when I'm done, but I look at that sticky note to make sure I utilize everything. I look at the weather, and I just start planning our dinners. I don't plan out breakfast, lunches, and snacks, but there is a page in the Paper Plum Planner, and I'll show that in a second, where it lists ideas for breakfast, lunch, and snacks. So these are things that I kind of want to have on hand at all times. So I take a quick peek at this list to see if there's anything I need to add to my grocery list for those things. Then I'll look at my dinner plan and look at the things that I need to have on hand for breakfast, snacks, and lunches, and I'll plug away at my actual shopping list. And I love this planner, but it is quite large, so instead of lugging around this to grocery stores, I just take a picture of the actual list and go off of my phone while I'm shopping. So I'm going to show you still shots of all the lists in my planner, and then we'll take you along and show you what we got at Target. Are we at our happy place?
Which happy place?
Target.
Oh, who are we talking to?
All right, guys, I went to Target today for my haul, and this all was $135.81, way more than I usually spend. I usually go to ALDI, but I went to Target because it's my mom's birthday, so I had to get her a present, and we are entertaining for it tonight. So I got some things that I usually don't get, but I'll start, let's see, with some condiments. Worcestershire sauce, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. I got some hot sauce and some honey. A couple things weren't on my list. My son and I made granola bars last night, and we ran out of things, so I added them to the list after I filmed. I wrote the list last night and shopped today. I got some spinach and kale, some pasta, and then it is such a bummer today. Last week, literally it was 85 and not a cloud in the sky, and today is cold and rainy, and I don't like to complain about the weather, but I knew it was gonna be cold, but it was supposed to be dry. So I thought, I don't know if you can see back there, there's a bonfire. I thought it'd be fun to have a bonfire at the party and have the kids make s'mores. but with it being so wet, I think we might do it on the grill. But in any case, I got stuff for s'mores, and then brown sugar that goes into the granola bars that we depleted last night. Going in a weird order here. I got a fruit tray. Like I said, it's my mom's birthday. My parents are on some weird cleanse, so they can't have dessert. So I got them some overpriced cut up fruit. Dairy, I got some string cheese, whole milk, 2 things of butter, half and half, 2 things of yogurt. I got 2 things of butter because I'm always running out of butter. I run out before I know, so I thought I'd put one in the freezer. 2 things of club soda for today, some soda for our party. And then I got this for my mom. It's this wooden decoration. They have a house in Arizona where they spend the winter, and I thought that would look really cool with their decor. And then just a gift bag and a birthday card. So that's everything at Target. I did buy my son a Lego thing. I think that was $10. And then my husband works for a meat market, so he buys all of our animal protein. But I'm making a salad for tonight with this kale, and I needed some bacon. So I stopped at one of the stores. He wasn't there, but I got a half pound of bacon. I think that was $4 or $5. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I hope everyone has a great week. See you next time.